Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so this is Jaybealennux and we are on day 2 of our 2-ingredient juice cleanse. We are doing a 7-day challenge. This is day 2. So we have our cucumber and we have our pineapple. Yes, we are doing it again. This is not the coffee lemon challenge. This is a juice cleanse with, excuse me, something in my throat. Another all natural 2 ingredients. Yes, we do. We have them here. So, wonderful. Oh, pure from the branch pineapple. Then I already have my sliced cucumber inside of the blender. It's not Corona. I just had mixed nuts. Now, I put a half of a cucumber in because I want to save the other half for later. Yes, I do that. So it was fresh. Let's see. So, first off, we're gonna slice off the nice little tofu that it comes off with. And we're gonna toss that thing. So, we're gonna get to slicing. I think it's too. It reminds me of a nice little hedgehog top. Reminds me of Sega when I was young. That was probably the beginning of an era of, you know, gaming and all that other good stuff. And, you know, just brings me back. But that was also close to around the time when I stopped actually playing games, right? So, this is where I'm at today, right? Right. Day 2, yes. So on one side, it just seems like it's just a little bit more bloated on one side. Whatever, just happened. Either way, I'm happy. As long as I'm happy, I'm okay. But, let's see. Have I eaten? I probably drank a lot of fluids today and I have not peed. I don't know if that's any good or what. I don't know. Maybe I should get it checked out. Whatever. But, let's see. So I'm doing this video a little late into the day, which I should have probably did it earlier. And this nice little cleanse thing, it really does help. It does work. So I'm gonna be dicing this so the way it blends really easily, really smoothly into nice, cute little cubes, and throwing it right into the blender. Not adding anything else. Okay, there we go. We have it ready. Wow. So let me throw it with the excess skins and all that other good stuff. Yeah. Here. I'm gonna turn on this blender. Let's see. Yum. And with everything in here, you probably only need like a little bit less than half of a water bottle. So, awesomeness. Okay. Looks good to me. All right. So let's see what we got going on over here. All right. Now we got our glass. Yes, we do. Okay. And enjoy. One, I'm thirsty. 2, it's good. 3, I know it's gonna work wonders. So, that, and I'm also in a hurry. But thank you for watching. We are on day 2. And yes, so Ta-da! And yeah, so yeah.
Inside the settings to access the lobby.
Oh, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. I have lost over 20 pounds, over 25 pounds in the past 2 years. I did not lose it all at one time, so it's nothing to worry about. And it is a very big accomplishment. It was a lot of work. It did not come off fast. It did not come off easy. It was a very big, very hard commitment, but I did it. Very glad I did. Do I have all my 100% energy back? No, I don't. I'm not even gonna lie. I sure don't. But I'm glad I did change my diet because that did make me feel a whole lot better. And as far as like my overall being, my glow in my complexion got a lot better. You know, I don't feel so sluggish, stuff like that. That part got better. I don't get winded as quick. Going up and down stairs is a lot easier. You know, it's just, there's a lot more advantages to it. So I don't drink soda. There's a lot of things that I just cut out. And yesterday when I had made, or in my last video, I had made a shrimp beef stir fry, right? My kid eats beef, so therefore I made that for him. He tore the whole thing up. Father made, kid approved. He ate the whole pan. I was like, hey dude, did you save me anything? He's like, I saved you a few vegetables. Okay, thank you. But I had me a nice little serving of some shrimp with some vegetables, and that's about it. Other than that, I will not touch beef for nothing. Try to stay away from dairy at all costs. And it actually does help. It does work. And yeah, we'll just keep this going. So thank you for tuning in. And we are on day 2. Remember, this is a 7-day challenge. Tune in. It's 2 ingredients. Very simple, very cheap. Keep the challenge going. Like, share, subscribe. Follow, turn on those notifications. Let's keep this going, people. We're on day 2. Let's make it to day 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm Jaybealennux. When you grow, I grow, we grow together.